UK Home Secretary has filed a complaint. Father has filed a complaint. What exactly happened?
We have received a complaint from a person named Christy Fernandez, who has alleged that some of his ancestral land in Asagao, without his knowledge, some people have tried to sell it off. And we received a complaint through the office of CM, through DGP's office, in which we conducted a preliminary inquiry, and we found out that prima facie there is a commitment of cognizable offence, because of which we have registered an FIR under relevant sections of the law, and investigation has been taken up.
So anyone will be quizzed or something?
It's all depends upon the further investigation. It's a case where property is involved, which requires a lot of analysis of documents and the chain of the movement of the land as well. So if we have enough evidences, and if it's required, we will take necessary action as per.